Come take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, leather-appointed front seat trim, LTZ preferred equipment group, Summit White, window, power, rear sliding, GVWR, 11,500 pounds, 5216 kilograms, with single rear wheels, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, alternator, dual, 125 amps each, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, LTZ Plus package, tires, LT 265/70 R18E all-terrain, Blackwall, rear vision camera, audio system with navigation, FM3 system stereo with CD player, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.